String builder length, set length, and capacity. So the length returns number of characters of the text. So this is the actual content length. That's fine, very similar to the string. Set length changes the length of the text encapsulated by the string builder object. Okay? So for instance, by setting a specific length, you can cut and make it smaller, or populate with some default characters if you want to use set length. And capacity, once again, the capacity gives you the size of that allocated memory buffer. Equals, of course, matches the equals method of a string, which in this case is comparing references, not data. So it's this is something that Java gets criticized over for, because this type of design made it almost like a 180-degree difference compared to a string. That remember, with strings, equal sign compares references. With the string builder, the equals method does that. Well, guess what? Because of the internal structure of it, what you need to do is that you have to convert the string builder to a string. And if you're comparing two strings, you take one string builder, another string builder, both converted to a string, and then of course you can use the equal sign, that of the string, to run the comparisons. So it's something that really differs from the interface of a string, and this is the only one that I know is that is the one that's significantly different compared to a string interface. But it's very easy to make a mistake, and I would say that you should probably research on your own why is it done this way, and just be aware that it's done this way. And this is where the string interface and string builder interface change significantly. So let's give this a quick demo before we take a break, and then it's this is the last slide anyway. So I'm just going to say new project. Right, we will create a new project, and I'll go to my portable drive. So let's see, my portable drive is E257 projects, and this is going to be our week 3. Okay, so this is going to be my location right there, and I will create the main class. Let's say finish. Okay, and so there we go. We have a little project. I didn't care to change the package name, because this is going to be like a little throwaway type of demo anyways. So I'm just going to say string builder stir equals, let's do stir1 equals new, a new string builder that says hello, right? All right. And I'll just copy and paste and make a second one that says string str2. And then I'll say if str1 equals str2, we're going to say system .out.print. we're going to say the same. We aren't going to say what is the same, but we're just going to say the same. Else, otherwise, we're just going to say different. Okay, so if we save this, it says different, right? So clearly you can see in my output box right there, you can see that it did go this way. So clearly it's not comparing the content, it is comparing the the object references, right? So if str1 and str2 were strings, then the if statement would look like this: str1 equals str2. Okay, so this would be the situation with strings, and as you can see with the string the string builder, it does go and does similar to equal work with string builder objects. Just something to be aware of. It's a little nasty piece, and we need to be aware of. So the solution is like you see on this slide, convert them to strings before comparing, and then use the equal sign, the equals method. Okay, all right. So this concludes our presentation on some of the character manipulation and strings and the string builder, which kind of stretched a couple of weeks because of the cancellations prior to this. But nevertheless, we're done. So let's take a break. Thank you.